So on today's menu we have
smoky barbecue sauce with chicken wing nibbles, a mango and banana smoothie. You will need cups with your names on it on Dad. Step 1, turn on the air fryer, get it to the chicken setting, press go, let it heat up for a couple of minutes. Then chop the end of this off. Get your Nutribullet out. Get your banana. Get your mango. Open it up. Give them a shake. Now with only 1 minute to go, we want to take them out of the air fryer, tip them into a bowl. Smoky barbecue sauce. Cover them all generously. Straight back in a minute to go.
This is the best.
Cheers.